Turning the engine, 12J641. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice. On this side, everything looks good, as you can see. As well on the windows, without battery inside. Gearbox, not broken. Same as well like on this side. Everything looks good with the engine, as you can see. Starter looking good. Same as well like altimeter. And on the top we have computer engine. Plastics cover, no broken, as you can see. Everything nice. And on the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine, 12J641.